Hello trader, welcome back to my channel. This is CHOCH Forex again. In today's video we'll be talking about change of character in Forex. So watching this video to the end will give you a clue on how to trade the change of character. Without wasting much of our time, let me just give you an overview of what change of character is all about in Forex. So when you see a chart having a strong momentum strength like this, moving in its higher high and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and at a point you see that the market started coming down, breaking the structure. This was the highest higher low, and the market came down and break it. As a smart money trader, you know that this is not usual. This is not usual. The market is supposed to be keep going up. Even at least let this resistance zone serve as a support for the market to go up. But what happened? The market broke the structure, passed that place, and still broke the structure and was coming down heavily. So this is what we call the change of character. This signifies that the market is about to change its direction. So after that, there must be a retest or a mitigation which will go up either by 20% of the highest selling. You know, this is the highest selling. This is the highest selling chart. So it can either be 20% or 50%. It can go 50% or sometimes 90% or 100% mitigation before it will start changing the strength and momentum towards the downside. So it can go and mitigate 20%, 50%, 100% mitigation or retest for those who are for the smart money traders before the market will start moving down. That is the change of character that we are talking about. So in this video, if you watch it, you understand how to detect change of character, the difference between change of character and break of structure, and how to trade it and make enough profit in the forex market as a smart money trader with the banks. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's go to the live chart so that I can give you some instances of where the markets applied a change of character, where you can see change of character in the forex market. So now let's go over to the live charts. Let us take a look at these charts. You see that the market is in its uptrend, heavy uptrend with a very strong momentum. Let us draw the chart so you understand what I am talking about. So you see that the market has been going in its uptrend, forming the higher high and a higher low, the higher high and a higher low, higher high and a higher low, moving in a very strong momentum uptrend. So if you continue looking at it, you see that at a point, what happened? At this point, it was still in its uptrend. You can see the higher high and the higher low. Then the market is supposed to go up again, but what happened? It came down and broke the structure here. So as a smart money trader, you wonder what happened. Bank have entered. So many people's stop loss has been hit. People that place their stop loss here, people that buy this market to keep going high, and what happened? The market went down and liquidate their money. So at this point, you have to wait, calm down, and observe the market as a smart money trader. Then smart money deals with patience, smart money and patience. So you see that the markets came down here and broke the structure. You see, and then come back, then went up again and still come back again and break the structure. So from this point where there's a first break of structure, that signifies a change of character. That is the change of character, change of momentum strength. So the market has just changed the normal trend that it used to be before. So at this point, there was a change of character. This point where market is supposed to go up and it went down and break the structure, the lowest selling point here, that was when the break of character took place. So it went up for about how many percent here? Look, using this support area as the resistance area here, and then the market went down. You see, and what's happened? The market still went up again to form the other block or the mitigation. You can see what happened here from here. Okay, you can see what happened here. After everything, market still went up again to form another block for those who are my previous video, you can watch my video where I made video about mitigation. So sometimes whenever there is a change of character, there's always a mitigation. So you can see that the markets break the change of character here after the breaking of structure, and then continue the trend pushing downwards. And what happened, it still went up again to clear some liquidity, and using this other block as the force to start another selling in the forex market. So you can watch my video about mitigation, you understand what I mean, what actually happened within this period of time. So you can see that's what happened here. So if we should go back, if we should keep going, you see that the market is now selling after this strong momentum trend happened here. From here to here, it went up to using this other block as its mitigation zone. The market started selling heavily. It was selling heavily. You can see it. This is a very big selling within this period of time, forming a very strong momentum of lower high and the lower low. You can see it with your eyes: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So all those things that are selling in the forex market is happening real. When they tell the market forms a higher high, support and resistance, demand and supply zones, change up, you can see it, all of them are there. So what you need to do is just take out your time and back test. So you can see that the market at this particular point, that there was a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then here, okay, the market was unable to break the structure here. If you look at this particular one, sorry, lower, look at lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. At this point, there was no break of structure here, so the market kept going down. At this point, there was a break of structure, and immediately it went back. This is faking, but here there was a very huge break of structure here and here. What does that mean? There's a change of character. So smart money don't trade within this period of time. But what happened to me today was that I placed a trade within today somewhere here, and I lost. Yeah, I lose the trade. So that is because there was no trend. I was thinking that the market has started pushing up, so I entered, and what happened? The market went down. So at this point, there's a ranging. So we have to, all the smart money traders are now waiting for the market to push out a trend so that we can now roll with the banks and avoid our money being liquidated. So now let me give you another instance. This is €. Let me get another currency pair and give you another instance of a change of character in forex. Then look at another example now. You can see the New Zealand dollar. What has been happening here? It has been in its uptrend. You can see my moving average is below the chart. It has been moving in its higher high and the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then there was a break of structure here. What that implies that at this point where the market reached a higher low, it went up here, and this support area serves as the resistance area here. Okay, let me make it more clearer. Sorry. You see that this support area here serves as the resistance area. Have you seen it? This support area here the support area here turned to become a resistance area here, then forcing the market to go down. And as the market went down, what happened? It broke the structure. That means the change of character started here. You can see the change of character started there. So once there was a change of character, smart money traders stand down and observe what is happening in the market before you make a mistake. So now what later happened after the break of character? This is the higher low here. It went up and then come back and change the character. Change of character took place here because there was a break of structure here, which is unusual. Then the market still went up and give a 50% mitigation. Like I said, that sometimes it can be 20%, sometimes it can be 50, sometimes 100, depending on the momentum which the banks operating. So now there's a 50% mitigation and the market started pushing down, and that was how the downtrend started. So now let's watch the movement of the market within that period. You can see that the market has been in its downtrend, force of downtrend with this period of time. So but now we are watching the market. Let us see what it has for us. Me, I already drew my line waiting for the breakout. So watching at this thing now, watching this market now, then taking a look at this market now, you see that there was a higher high, lower high, lower low, then lower high, lower low, lower low. I mean, this is lower high and this is lower low. Then at this point, this is the resistance zone and this is the resistance zone. So if the market breaks out here, that means there is a change of character. Do you understand? But if the market happens to keep going down, that means the trend is still on. Then we'll keep riding, we keep making our profits. But now the market, we don't know what has been happening, and within this period of time there have been ranges. You can see that the like for complete 3 days now or 4, the market has no direction. The candlestick is just there, it's not going up, it's not going down. So smart money, we have to be patient and watch out what the market have for us. If it's going up, then we can roll with it and go up. If it's going down, then we can roll with it and go down. So that is what happened in break of character, in change of character. So whenever there's a change of character in the forex market, you should observe the market well and know the next move so that you will not end up losing your money. This thing can be seen both in higher time frame, lower time frame, all the time frames. That is how it is used in forex market. So now I'm done with this video, and I know that this video must be very helpful to you as I try my best to explain the change of character for you. So what I want for you to do for me in return is for you to please subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscription button below, and I want you to please like my video, then comment at the comment section, ask your question, and I will answer all of them for you. Thanks. Bye.